Have you ever stopped to consider what's happening beneath your feet? It's easy to overlook, but the soil beneath us is far from inert. In fact, it's a bustling, chaotic environment teeming with life, a hidden world that, when viewed under a microscope, resembles a full, living microplanet. Let's delve into this fascinating realm. Imagine a miniature universe. That's essentially what a healthy soil sample looks like under a microscope. You'll find a complex ecosystem composed of various elements, from minerals and organic matter to a diverse array of living organisms. These include bacteria, fungi, protozoa, nematodes, and countless other microorganisms, all interacting in a dynamic web of life. The structure of soil itself contributes to this microplanetary feel. The spaces between soil particles create a complex network of pores and channels, offering habitats for these microorganisms. These spaces also influence water and air movement, creating a dynamic and constantly changing environment. This microscopic landscape is anything but static. Within this microplanet, life thrives through intricate cycles of energy and nutrient exchange. Bacteria and fungi play a crucial role in decomposition, breaking down organic matter and releasing nutrients that plants can absorb. Protozoa graze on bacteria, nematodes feed on fungi and bacteria, and the cycle continues. It's a constant battle for resources and space, but it's also a collaborative effort that sustains the entire ecosystem. This microscopic world is not just a curiosity, it's fundamental to life on Earth. Healthy soil is vital for plant growth, water filtration, and carbon sequestration. The organisms living within the soil contribute to these processes, helping to regulate the planet's climate and support biodiversity. So, the next time you walk across the grass or tend your garden, remember the hidden microplanet beneath your feet. It's a testament to the incredible complexity and interconnectedness of life, a world of chaos and order, of constant change and essential stability.